Past perfect and past perfect continuous. We said present perfect was about an action that finished in the past. Past perfect is also about an action that finished in the past, but it happened before another action in the past. For example, last day I was at school. So I was at school is in the past. I had done my homeworks. You were at school. Before that time, you had done your homework. Last summer, I had saved $12,000. Last summer is in the past, and up to that time, you had saved $12,000. So when we talk about the past perfect, there is always an action in the past that we are referring to the time before that. I had lost my keys last night, but I have found them now. So we are talking about last night, and up to that time you had lost your keys. This is last night, and before that you completed the action of losing your keys. Today I tell you, have you done your homework? You say, yes, I have done my homework. And tomorrow your friend asks you, last day, had you done your homeworks? You say, yes, I had done my homeworks. Had you texted your mother that you were going to be late? Last night there was a party after school and you wanted to go to the party after the school and you were going to be late. And then you came home too late and then you had a fight with your mom. And today you are talking to your friend. You are saying that, yeah, I had a fight with my mom last night because I was late. And your friend asks you, had you texted your mother that you were going to be late? Why had? Because we are talking about a completed action before another action in the past. We are talking about the time before last night. You are at the party, your friend asks you, have you texted your mom that you are going to be late? But now your friend asks you, had you texted your mom that you were going to be late? And you say, nope, I hadn't taken my phone with me, or I hadn't had my phone with me. Why had? Because we are talking about last night. So when we talk about past perfect, we are talking about a completed action before another action in the past. And past perfect continuous as well. It is just like present perfect continuous, but it doesn't talk before the present time. It is about before another time in the past. An action that continued happening before another action in the past. For example, your friend asks you, why were you late to the class last day? Last day. You say, I had been trying to finish the homework. So, up to that time, before the class, you were trying continuously to finish that homework. You say, I had been trying to finish the homework. Why were the streets all wet this morning? We are talking about this morning. The streets were wet. You say it had been raining all night. So here you're talking about before that. Before that, it had been raining all night. And that concludes the past perfect continuous. It is just like present perfect continuous, but it doesn't talk before the present time. It is about before another time in the past. As simple as that. I gave you two examples, two scenarios. Type another scenario just like this on the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good time and take care.